Hey, I'm Colin, and this is today's quick tip. Today I'm going to show you how to warm up your CAT mini hydraulic excavator. In the previous video, we talked about all of the steps to take before you start your machine. Now that the machine is started, lower the engine speed control to the low idle setting to allow the engine to warm up. Check your monitoring panel to ensure all systems are working properly. Next, lower the hydraulic control console to activate the hydraulic control system. Now you should engage and disengage the work tool controls with the engine at low idle, medium idle, and high idle. It is also recommended to cycle the hydraulic system before use. Run the boom, bucket, stick, and blade through a complete cycle to ensure that everything is working as it should. Now you're ready to get to work, knowing that the machine is warmed up and ready to go. As always, consult your operation and maintenance manual for more information. That was today's quick tip. Thanks for watching.